Diamond Hand family, so glad you're awake today. It's time to make some money. Moment of truth for the real investors to hit the like button, notification bell, and subscribe button. Quote of the week: when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Joe Kennedy. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this Drip Garden Farm 3D open world game. Links are in the description. So if you saw my previous video, you'll know that the man himself, Forex Shark, dropped an announcement on us in the Telegram about this. His upcoming 3D open world game, the Drip Garden Farm. Launch date is August 15th, which is in 3 days from the drop of this video right here. So from what I've seen, this game will show you the real-time status of your Drip Garden dashboard in a 3D open world environment, and it will be interactive. So you'll be able to see and interact with other farmers in the game. There's also an in-game store coming where you will be able to use drip as the currency. Wow, this is big. This is big. So I wonder if they will be able to also, sell NFTs in the in-game store also. I wonder if they're going to do that. So yeah, this is the alpha preview of the game that I showed in my previous video. And what I want to do is I want to kind of pull away from this. I like this part right here where it says, hey, say plant price again. But anyway, I want to pull away from this part of the video, and I want to go to the Drip Garden Farm, the actual beta site of the video game. So right here we have the roadmap, characters, the team, and the fact. So if you go through here and you just look at the roadmap, they tell you right here, this is not in any particular order, and it can change without notice. So they show you the compound and the harvest of the drip garden directly within that 3D environment. I'll talk about that. The live status of your pigs, dogs, and pig pen and piggy bank via Animal Farm viewer. Wow. So I didn't know they were adding that feature in there. Wow. So you get to see your piggy bank, your pig pen, your dogs, your pigs, everything in a Animal Farm viewer right there. Man, I'm gonna be playing this game every day. Okay, live status of your faucet and the reservoir via drip viewer. Man, I didn't know all this was gonna be in the game. Okay, this is crazy. Real game in development with XP points, shop, and integration of drip as a currency. This is this is crazy. Okay, more to come. Multiple users, feature enabling live interactions between gardeners. That's amazing. Look at all these characters. Okay, so they got 2 different spaces, I guess, question marks here for characters that they're gonna add later on. They need to add a plant, like a plant that's actually walking around. And then let me see. They need to add well, maybe they can add like a farmer character here or something. I don't know. But this is the team, Galactic Chauffeur. I guess that's how you say it. But Vlad. Okay, anyway. I guess Alien Games is their company that they their company that they use to make these 3D open world games. And here's the fact. I'm not gonna read this thing. Y'all can come to this website. The links are in the description. Y'all can read this yourself. But this is the Drip Garden Farm 3D open world game. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Should be out 3 days from the release of this video. Peace.